Open your fridge and pull out an egg carton. Notice how every egg has its own little numbered cup, all in one neat row, sitting right next to each other. If a friend yells, "Grab the egg in the third slot," you do not hunt through the whole carton. Your hand goes straight there. The slots never move. Slot 0 is always slot 0. Slot 1 is always next to it. That fixed, numbered row is one of the most basic ideas in programming. It is called an array, and it follows one rule. Every item has a fixed numbered position you can reach instantly. An array is a row of slots sitting side by side in memory, all the same size. Each slot has a number called an index, and like the carton, we start counting at 0. Because the slots are lined up next to each other, the computer can jump to any one instantly by its number. This instant jump is called random access, and it is what makes arrays so fast. The trade-off is the row has a fixed shape, just like the carton holds a set number of eggs. We make an array of eggs, each one sitting in its own slot. The first slot is index 0, not 1, so we grab it there. We jump straight to slot 2 and pull out C instantly. We swap the egg in slot 1 for a fresh one. We check how many slots the carton has in total. The last slot can always be reached with index -1. An array is a row of numbered slots where every item has a fixed position you can reach instantly. Restated, count from 0 and jump straight to any slot. You already use arrays in real life. An egg carton, a row of mailboxes, and seats numbered in a theater are all arrays. Subscribe to Tech with Joel.